National Birds Day. National Birds Day in India is celebrated on 5th January to honor and protect birds. It raises awareness about the importance of birds in the ecosystem. The event promotes bird conservation and protection of their habitats. Schools and organizations often conduct bird watching activities. The Indian peacock is the national bird of India. Birds play a vital role in pollination and seed dispersal. The day emphasizes the prevention of bird hunting and poaching. It encourages tree planting to create safe habitats for birds. People are inspired to care for injured or endangered birds. National Bird Day reminds us to coexist peacefully with nature.